What is up, guys? We're back with another video, and in this video, as you can see, we're installing the coilovers on the FRS. We already have the whole wide body kit already wrapped. We just finished it literally 5 seconds ago or a minute ago. We're about to start knocking down the suspension. We have pretty big wheel gap, even though it's already lowered on lowering springs, and I don't like it. And the plan is just to get the suspension at least decent. We're gonna see how low we can go. We're just gonna put them straight in. Worst case scenario, we have to adjust them. I'm hoping we don't have to adjust them. Right now we have 2 finger gap. I'm trying to just go for maybe 1 finger gap. I'm just gonna probably knock out the front, take them out, and probably call it a night. Go home to sleep, come back straight early in the morning, and knock this thing out. Today's the last day we can work on the car because tomorrow is the show. Probably get back to y'all right now when I take them out, or I'll probably just see y'all tomorrow morning. So yeah, let's get on to it. We finally got them out. It didn't take long, maybe like 10 minutes to take both out. We have both of them out already. Both sides are right here. I probably will sell these. These are actually skunk to lowering springs. That was fairly easy, so let's just go ahead and unbox the new coilovers. It's another day wearing a different shirt. We got the coilovers in the front, as you can see. We got the fronts in. Did have an issue on this side. That's where you kind of saw some of it, and then the battery died. But this is the problem I had. I had a problem removing the end link, like it wouldn't want to budge. So all I did decided to cut it off. So we got this side in. Now we're just working on getting the rear done. Now we're taking that out. So boom. Got the OEM strut with the lowering springs that we did a while back. You want to remove both sides when you do this because you need the end link free from both sides so you can have the sway bar move freely and not be kind of trying to twist it, since it's much lower on this side and you're trying to lift it up. So you don't want to bend them. And I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the other side. Alright, if you're doing this by yourself, you obviously can't put it in and put your hand inside unless you have dumb reach. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna attach the lower control arm to the end link so we can have the strut laying on top of the lower control arm, so we can be able to at least have enough thread to screw it in from the inside. Actually, we're going to put it to the back because this thing's already high enough. It's already too high from the other side, but when you're doing the other side, you can do the end link. It'll be much easier. For now, what we do is put this thing inside. Boom, right there. You see where it's laying at? That's where you have it. You're doing this by yourself. And now I can go ahead and tighten it from the inside, which I'm going to do right now. Put on the spacers. We're gonna cut more of the wheel well. We're gonna seam seal it, fix some suspension stuff, probably raise the car just a bit because I think it's too low in the front and slightly too low in the rear. So this is how the car sits right now. Well, this has been like what, another month again. That's how it sits right now. The rear is too high. I mean, I have Fortunato coilovers. They can't go as low, but they do ride pretty good. I'm gonna get either some lower control arms to lower it 1.5 inches, which is either gonna be PVM or Stans V2s, which allows to drop a 1.5 inches, and then I might drop the rear a bit more. Get an alignment. That's about it for the suspension for now. And that's gonna be it for this video. If you have any questions or anything about the install or about the coilovers, about Fortunato, I can try to answer them. Just leave in the comment section below, but I'll catch you guys next time.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. Just got new grills and they all go. So I got that beef with the po-po. They don't like my style, no, no, no. I don't really give a damn, I keep steering, switch gears and the fans just